Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we make your purchasing decisions as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left corner, weighing in at $283, we have the Ruko U11S. And on the right, the plucky underdog at just $59, the SOTAONE S350. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about cameras. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Perfect for those who want to capture every single leaf on a tree from the sky. It's like having a mini James Cameron in your pocket. Reviewers love the crisp, clear 4K video quality for capturing scenic landscapes. On the other hand, our budget-friendly buddy, the SOTAONE S350, comes with a 1080p HD camera. Sure, it's not 4K, but hey, it's only $59. Reviewers mention it's a nice starter option with a decent camera for the price, making it great for beginners. NSO. If you're a budding filmmaker or an Instagram junkie, Ruko's your guy. If you just want to spy on your neighbor's barbecue, SOTAONE will do the trick. Next, let's talk about how easy these bad boys are to fly. The Ruko U11S is designed for beginners with features like GPS positioning and optical flow positioning. It's like having a drone with a PhD in stability. Reviewers find it easy to control, responsive to commands, and suitable for both beginners and experienced users. SOTAONE S350, however, is like that fun uncle who lets you drive his car when you're 12. It's got altitude hold, one-key takeoff/land, and even headless mode. Plus, it does flips and tricks that would make Tony Hawk jealous. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and fun features, making it a hit with kids and beginners. NSO, if you're looking for a stable, reliable flight, Ruko's your man. But if you want to impress your friends with some aerial acrobatics, SOTAONE's the way to go. Now, let's talk about how long these drones can stay in the air. The Ruko U11S offers a solid 20 minutes per battery, and it comes with an extra one. That's 40 minutes of flight time, enough to film your entire neighborhood and still have time to annoy your cat. Reviewers commend the impressive flight time and additional battery for extended use. SOTAONE S350, on the other hand, gives you 20 minutes on 2 rechargeable batteries. Not bad for a drone that costs less than a tank of gas. Reviewers note the shorter battery life, but appreciate the inclusion of an extra battery for continuous fun. NSO, if you're planning a drone marathon, go with Ruko. If you're just looking for a quick aerial joyride, SOTAONE's got you covered. Finally, let's talk portability. The Ruko U11S folds up into a neat little package about the size of a mobile phone. Perfect for those spontaneous trips to the mountains or the beach. Reviewers love its compact, foldable design, making it easy to carry around. SOTAONE S350 is also foldable and can fit in the palm of your hand. It's like carrying a pocket-sized UFO. Reviewers appreciate its small size and portability, making it a great travel companion. NSO, both drones are pretty travel-friendly. But if you want to look like you're carrying high-tech spy gear, go with Ruko. If you want something that fits in your fanny pack, SOTAONE is your drone. Overall, the Ruko U11S is praised for its advanced features, stability, and impressive camera quality, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. The SOTAONE S350, while more basic, is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it an excellent starter drone for kids and beginners. Alright, smart shoppers, that's a wrap. To sum it up, if you've got some cash to splash and want a feature-packed drone, Ruko U11S is your go-to. But if you're ballin' on a budget and want a fun, easy-to-use drone, the SOTAONE S350 is a steal. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, stay smart, and keep shopping, folks. Product links are in the description.